Song from season 3. Yes, Carlo, what's the title of the song?
Tattooed on my mind.
Ano.
You will have to sing along with our -1. We have a -1. Marlon, I can see you over there. So we have a song.
None have to sing.
What's the song? You don't have?
Technical practice.
This is the sound belong to you.
What's the song? Be my number 2? Sing us sing that together.
Ba't yun naman sa pera talaga si Carl?
Kat, they don't know the song. How about the next song? Be my number 2? Do you have a number 2? You don't.
Yes, he's joining us. I think he wants to sing for all of you guys. He always sings on air. Eric.
Hindi ginawa ko, ang lamig ah. Ngayon ang lakas ng loob ni Carlo eh. Oh.
Ano na kayo? Ako na kakanta. Luke Menares, get ready.
Kuya,
Oh, you know the chorus?
sana. Sa Carlo, si Carlo nanatay. Nag-visual, nag-nag-lipo si Carlo, huwag na namin. May tao na ng pride. Si Carlo, makita naman, nalamig na ako, naman. Hindi ganyan eh. Ay, kumakata kayo dito. Sige. Sige. Sige lang. Suddenly. One bite lang yan. Kulang sa beer.
You know what, Marlo? Sabi ng kinis? So, sabi ko, hindi ka namin bibigyan.
Ibang
Okay,
kanta.
let's just make them sing their love song. Their theme song together.
Yes.
No. Enough, Carrie. Okay, you
Dahil
sing.
nagiginaw ako. Ako kinikilat, di ko nga ma-video eh. Si Carlo po at si Carla kakanta na po. Ayan po sila. Go Carla! Ang lamig!
No, Harry. No, Harry. No. Okay, no.
Can we do number 2, please?
No.
Just from
Okay.
the floor. Number 2.
You sing so well. Wow. She's really a singer. Wow. You can just practice this in the video game.
Hawakan mo nga yung kamay ko, Tan. Kinalamig ako. Nanginginig ako eh.
You're destroying your reputation.
You guys are so
Okay. Because you sang so well, I will give you 500, 1,000, 1,500.
Palakpak kayo, palakpak kayo! Alright! Go, you go!
130 left. Now we will go home empty-handed, but you guys are happy. Okay, yeah, you're welcome. Libre mo na lang ako ng hotdog.
Just one more. Can I just try one?
You wanted to sing?
Just one, a little bit.
sa inyo.